In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit HTML in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you want to add custom HTML to your website in GoDaddy, the process is actually very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside your account so you can find your site, open the editor, and paste in your code correctly. To begin, go ahead and open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that contains the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually where account-related options and product management settings are grouped together. From your profile, click on My Products. This section shows the services and websites connected to your account. After that, locate the specific website you want to work on. If you have more than one site, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. When you've found the right website, click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes directly to your site. Give it a moment to load fully so you can clearly see the page layout and editing options. Once you're inside the editor and viewing your page, look for the HTML section on your page. This is the area that lets you insert custom code into your website. Depending on your layout, you may need to click into the section where you want the code to appear so the editing tools become available. From there, find the custom code option. This is where you'll paste your HTML. Simply copy your HTML code from wherever you created or stored it, then paste it into the custom code field. Be careful to paste only the code you intend to use, and it's always a good idea to quickly review it for errors before saving or publishing. This is especially important if your HTML includes embedded elements, formatting blocks, or layout-related code, because even a small mistake can affect how the content displays on your page. If something doesn't look right afterward, go back into the code and double-check for missing tags or formatting issues. And that's it. Once your HTML has been pasted into the custom code area, you're ready to continue editing or publish your changes as needed. That's how to edit HTML in GoDaddy Website Builder.